this video, we will do second question of exercise 4.3. In second question, we have to solve first question problems, equations, but using quadratic formula. First part is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the roots of this equation by using quadratic formula. So, first of all, we will compare it with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. Now by quadratic formula, and what is quadratic formula? That variable which we have to find is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our quadratic formula. Now putting the values, minus 1 minus is of this and 1 minus 7 plus minus b square means minus 7 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3 divided by 2 into 2. From here x1 equal to minus minus plus 7 plus minus 7 square 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 divided by 2 2s are 4. Now from here we will get x is equal to 7 plus minus 49 minus 24, 25 is equal to 4. X is equal to 7 plus minus square root of 25 is 5 divided by 4. X is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, or x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. From here x is equal to 12 by 4 means x is equal to 3, and from here x is equal to 2 by 4 means x is equal to 1 by 2. So 3 and 1 by 2 are roots of given equation. Remember one thing, answer will be same by both methods. You can do these questions by using any method, but if specific method is given, then you have to do that question by using that method only. Hello students, in this video we will do question number 2 of exercise 4.3. In question number 2, third part we are doing in this video. And in third part what is given, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. And this question we have to solve using quadratic formula. Now compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will get a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. Now by quadratic formula, we have to find value of x, and what is quadratic formula? X will equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then x will equal to, putting these values, minus of b is 4 root 3 plus minus b square means 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a means 4, c means 3 divided by 2a. 2a means 2 into 4. Then x will equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus square of 4 root 3 will be 48 minus 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is 48 divided by 8. Now from here x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus, from here 0 will left and divided by 8. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. X is equal to minus root 3 by 2, and another root will be same. Why? Because this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. b square minus 4ac को हम discriminant बोलते हैं. अगर discriminant 0 के इक्वल हो तो दोनों रूट इक्वल होते हैं और दोनों रूट्स की वैल्यू सेम होती है. सो minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2 are roots of given equation. Now we will do fourth part. In fourth part, what is given? Fourth part is 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Again we will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 4. So by quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. From here, x is equal to minus b means 1 plus minus b 1 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 4 divided by 2, a means 2. On solving this, we will get x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32 divided by 4. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 33 divided by 4. And because here is a negative sign, so root of minus 33 is not possible. It is an imaginary number. Is an imaginary number. About these numbers we will study in our class 11th. So square root is not possible according to this. So roots do not exist. If we find square root of minus 33, it will come in iota and it will be an imaginary root. And imaginary root is not concept of your class. So according to your syllabus, square root is not possible. So roots do not exist. This is your question number 2.